private jet flights, freedom, privacy, and escape from airport hassles. Villiers, a leading innovator in the travel industry, is proud to unveil its highly anticipated Villiers. Experience the future of luxury travel with Villiers and discover a world of possibilities. Exceptional customer service. Going above and beyond, Villiers understands that exceptional customer service. Whether it's a private island retreat, a secluded mountain chalet, or a cultural hotspot off the beaten, Villiers unlock exclusive destinations, from private islands to hidden mountain chalets and cultural gems. Clients can explore unique locations through commercial travel, pioneering innovation, redefining luxury travel. Villiers has been at the forefront of pioneering innovation since its establishment in 2022. Villiers redefines luxury travel with personalized experiences, time efficiency, and exclusive destinations, revolutionizing the industry for discerning travelers.